Welcome back to Apex Fluency. Today's shadowing session isn't just about grammar. It's about the sentences you say to yourself while you're learning. Here's the truth. The words you repeat out loud start to become the way you think. So today, we're going to shadow sentences that train your English and your mindset at the same time. Same method as always. I speak. You repeat out loud in the pause. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak. Shadowing may feel simple, but it's incredibly effective. It works because it builds real habits. It helps you think in English instead of translating, and it helps you sound natural without ever opening a grammar book. Have you ever asked yourself, how can I finally speak English fluently? Well, the answer is right here. Remember, you do not need perfection, you just need progress. So take a deep breath with me. Inhale, exhale. Let's begin. I am ready to practice English today. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help me grow and improve. I focus on progress, not perfection. I am building my English step by step. I am stronger than my doubts and fears. Today, I choose confidence over fear. Small steps lead to big progress. I trust the process and keep practicing. I am patient with myself and my progress. That's 10. You're doing great. Let's continue. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. I show up even when it feels hard. Every mistake helps me learn something new. I'm becoming more confident every day. I believe in my ability to improve. My pronunciation gets better every time I try. I am proud of my progress, no matter how small. English is becoming part of my everyday life. I speak to express myself, not to be perfect. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. Congratulations. You just completed a full confidence shadowing session. You didn't just repeat sentences, you spoke them into being true. Remember, fluency doesn't happen all at once. It happens quietly, sentence by sentence, the same way confidence does. If you finish this practice, write "I showed up today" in the comments. I'd love to see it. Subscribe to Apex Fluency and keep speaking. I'll see you in the next one.